Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. Today we're looking at the grapevines and we're seeing a few grape leaf skeletonizers. And of course I knew it was coming because about 3-4 weeks ago I noticed the moth flying around. It's a little black moth. You can't miss it. So I've been checking these, and the Grape Leaf Skeletonizer, what it does is they get on the bottom of the leaf and they just rasp away at the leaf and essentially skeletonize it. It'll eventually wind up looking like this. Now these guys are very prolific and a major nuisance. They can defoliate these grapevines within a week of the first time I see them. So what I'm going to do, probably tomorrow morning, bright and early while it's cool, I'm going to get out here and I'm going to spray with BT. BT is a natural thing. It only affects caterpillars and mosquito larvae. It's harmless to human beings. You have to get it thoroughly coated. You have to get the leaf surface coated because what they do is they eat it and it disrupts their digestive system and they die. So it's a pretty good way to go and doesn't bother people or pets or birds or anything else. I'll use a hose end sprayer and I'll get up and spray these from the bottom and the top to thoroughly coat every leaf surface. And we have other videos on how to use a hose end sprayer if you want to take a look at that if you're not familiar with the tool. And in very short time, these little guys will be gone. Now they don't fly really far as an adult, so unless you live in a commercial grape area or there's a lot of grapes in your neighborhood, you may not see them. Because they don't fly very far, if I can get a good handle on these and completely get rid of them, I won't have to worry about it too much next year. You could use soapy water, you could use horticultural oil. Both of those have issues with the hot weather. We're about the end of June right now, which is kind of early for us. Daytimes are 110 degrees, so that eliminates the possibility of a horticultural oil. So all in all, I'm going to say this time around, BT is what I'm going to use.